Dear ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, I put again my dirty gloves, so something interesting will happen. We are working mostly in workshop, we advance a little bit here in Pannard, but mostly, well, you will see by yourselves what we are doing. So now these white friends will go to a little washing. So if you like dirty stuff, stay with us. Do you want a story about poop? I was with Babur and he ate my food and then he tried to poop by the window. I don't have to show anything because I washed it, but I can assure you it was inside and outside, and it was smelling as nice as it was looking. Let's go and get the shit done. Ladies and gentlemen, here we are at the car wash. I will wash toilets here. That's always French people, that's what they do. When the toilet is very dirty, they dismantle it, they bring it to car wash. No, I'm just joking. This other kind of shit that you wash here normally, but now we will wash our. Well, the other stuff, it's something that I can do only by scratching it, something. So well, now actually it's as clean as it could be. I'll just put it like this. We have a very windy weather. It's 65 kilometers per hour of wind. Let's do the other one. Check this out. First I will try to put something that is normally for very dirty parts of the cars. We will see, does it work really. Wherever I put myself, it goes in my face. Okay, so here it will go like this to the wall, and we have to see where will come the water arrival. So here, like this. If we enter here, we sit like this. We have enough space here to fit a door, I think. Do we really need a door? Just you're sitting and you're speaking to the people.
If, for example, you take any and I come and see you, that's my
Say
problem.
So, okay, so yeah, like this. Here we have enough space up to here to make a little, like a little wall. So here there's a toilet, then you lift and you wash your hands. I remember when I was a student, I was living in a like student residence, and there somebody was always drawing with shit on the walls, you know? Probably he was wiping his butt with a finger and then drawing stuff. And do you know how we found out who was this person? It was a professor who was always washing his hands after the toilet. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to put this door here. So on one side it will be attached to the existing wooden frame. On the other side there is only the wall. So for this I got, check this out, I have screws for the wood and screws for all materials. But I will have to drill the frame on the other side and to put somehow these inside the stone. So I will first mark how they will stay. For this, first I will adapt the door here to be sure that it stays straight. Then I will mark here the line on the wall and I will take some measures to know the exact positions of the hole that I have to drill. And then I will put everything together. Well, it will be okay like this. Stop quand je la pousse.
Là, un petit peu moins.
Non, t'es parti trop loin.
Là,
C'est pas mal?
ouais.
Ladies and gentlemen, and now we will count how many rooms has this place. Only one room, sorry.
Can we count how many toilets we have?
Well, how many functioning toilets we have? One, two, three, four, five. Okay. Okay, now it's fixed. Let's just check. Let's do a simulation. I come here. I put my head here. I go in. I take my phone. Very important when you are in the toilet. I sit here. Where's the paper? I don't have any paper. How do I flush? No flush here. Well, ladies and gentlemen, first part of the experience is working. The door closes. Now we have to put something here and to put some paper for sure, because I need TP for my bunk hole. Ladies and gentlemen, so see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. À votre bon cœur. No, I'm joking.